everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1958 Chevrolet Apache 3100 pickup truck. Killer truck, man. It's out of North Carolina, all steel. Little history behind this truck. The gentleman I got it from, he said this truck was originally built 15 years ago, and in 2017 they took this truck back apart and went completely through it. So it's only got 2,500 miles on it since it was redone. But that paint on this truck was done 15 years ago, and it's slick. There's a couple little blemishes you can pick at on it, but man, it is really nice. That's Calypso red. That's a DuPont paint. He's got the color codes. Matter of fact, there's a bunch of receipts and everything for the truck. But again, all steel, clean North Carolina truck. I bought it and I put, I don't know, 10 miles on it, 12 miles on it. Air blows ice cold. Really hits the road good. Like I say, it really is just a good truck. I love this body style. You can see they replaced the grille and the bumpers. But just a pretty truck. It's got all brand new LMC leather interior in it, or I'm sorry, TMI. Well, TMI is a company, but they actually got it from LMC. As you can see, this truck is nice. All new tinted glass. They converted it to electric wipers. We're a little crazy around here today. My oldest boy's getting married. We're busier than heck. We got cars coming, cars going. So we're gonna have Fast Eddie help us on a video today. Wood bed. They actually just converted it to the custom fuel tank in the rear. Not yet, Ed. You can leave those shut. I love this body style, man. The lines are great. You can see they got the custom tail lights. $18 and 20-inch Coys wheels all the way around it. Good looking truck. Uh-oh, got some water spots here, Eddie. Little touch-up mark. Again, there is some stuff that you can kind of pick at it. You know, nothing major. There is a few little things where you can see where they've touched it up. Four-wheel disc brakes. It's all Camaro underneath. Again, little touch-up mark. Now you can open the doors, yep. This is a 69, a 350 cubic inch engine, 4-bolt main, he said. It is Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. You can see it's got brand new ceramic headers on it, chrome air cleaner and valve covers, vintage AC. That will freeze you out of there. It's ice cold. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. Again, it's got a Camaro front subframe on it. It may not stay open, Ed. You may just go ahead and just kind of leave it closed. It's all right. I'll get it. Aluminum radiator. It's got electric fan, 700R4 automatic transmission. So it's got the overdrive. Well, this body style just screams to me. Yeah, little touch-up mark. think I already said he's got all brand new glass in it. It's got the correct mirrors and everything on it. Trim and stainless is all real nice. Let's replace that. This is here, but like I say, it has the custom tank, so you actually fill it in the bed there. Matter of fact, that's the one thing that we do have to do. It's not reading on the for the fuel gauge, so we're gonna have to check it and see if the ground has come loose or something. This is all brand new. TMI leather, bucket seats, new carpet. Super cool steering wheel. It's all Dakota digital gauges. Got a Retrosounds radio in it. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a Camaro 10-bolt 373 posi rear end, and it's a 4-link with adjustable coilovers. Got it up in the air, got some good pictures at the bottom of it for you. You can see that custom fuel tank. Little glue there from the rubber. Again, this is all your paperwork. There's 2 folders of paperwork on the truck here. Oh, these are your plug-ins for that radio. It's got a USB plug-in. I'm not a radio guy, so it definitely no. But there is directions and everything for that over there. You go ahead and start it up, Eddie. I'm not a radio. The radio works, I can tell you that. Truck just runs and drives actually. Go ahead and put your air on it. The air blows ice cold. Got the air on? Gotta wait for the little blue lights to come on in there. There you go. Good, good stuff, yeah. Like I say, air blows ice cold. Give a little rev. You can go ahead and shut that hood. No, leave it running. Just come out and shut the hood. I'm gonna show them all the gauges and everything working. You just shut the hood. Hopefully you can see that 2589 on your odometer. Tack words is the only thing we're gonna have to check on this fuel. Although actually it's coming up now. Yeah. We'll check it. I don't know if it's got a loose ground or something, but all that stuff does work. Go ahead, Eddie. Jump in. We're going to go through the lights. Yep, brake lights. Left turn signal. Left turn signal. Yep, there you go. Right. Hopefully you guys can see that flashing. Good. Go ahead and give it a rev. Truck's got good sound to it. Radio works. You get a radio station. Well, I don't know what I've done there. There we go. The radio works. Blower motor works. You can go ahead and shut that door, Ed. We're going to have you doors open and shut real nice. Go ahead and flip your wipers on. They're electric, so they do work. Headlights. Turn signals. Hit your horn. You can go ahead and turn your lights off now, Eddie. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Go ahead, Eddie, take it down the road. Great way to keep in touch with us through that YouTube, guys. Well, that is a pretty truck, man. Those taillights are pretty cool.